Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to PostgreSQL using SCRAM on VPS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate to PostgreSQL using SCRAM on your VPS, you'll first need to ensure that PostgreSQL is properly installed. Begin by connecting to your server via SSH. Once logged in, access the PostgreSQL configuration file, typically located at /etc/postgresql/version/main/pg_hba.conf. Open this file using a text editor of your choice, such as Nano or Vim. Locate the line that specifies the authentication method for your database connections. Change it from MD5 or Trust to SCRAM SHA-256 to enable SCRAM authentication. Save the changes and exit the text editor. Next, you must ensure your PostgreSQL server is configured to support SCRAM. Open the postgresql.conf file, usually found in the same directory as pg_hba.conf. Find the line that sets the password encryption method. If it is set to MD5, change it to SCRAM SHA-256. Save the changes and exit the editor. Now, restart the PostgreSQL service to apply the changes. Use the command sudo system to restart PostgreSQL. Next, you will want to create a new database user or alter an existing one to use SCRAM. To create a new user, use the command create user p username. You will be prompted to enter a password for the new user. To alter an existing user, execute the command alter user username with password new_password. Once the user is created or altered, you'll want to test the authentication method. Connect to your PostgreSQL database using the new user credentials with the command psqlu username d database_name. If everything is configured correctly, you should be able to connect successfully. If you encounter issues, review your configuration files for any typos or incorrect settings. After confirming that SCRAM authentication is functional, you can securely manage your PostgreSQL database. Keep in mind, maintaining solid security practices is essential, especially when dealing with database users and passwords. This concludes your quick tutorial on authenticating to PostgreSQL using SCRAM on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.